Hi everyone, this is Jana Black with Lovin and Bling Designs, and I just wanted to show a quick video on if you ever have a tumbler that has some bumpy areas. I don't know if you can't see it, but there's some bumpy areas. There's also some rough areas on this tumbler, and what I did was after the first coat of epoxy and glitter, what I do when I do like my glitter is I take just a little bit of epoxy, turn the gun upside down, makes it like a little pool right here, and slowly go over with gloves and make the epoxy really smooth on the cup before I even do the glitter, and then I do the glitter. I'm rolling it. That's how I get the stripes the way they are. They're not perfect. This is going to be one of those dinosaur cup glitter tumblers, so they don't have to be exactly perfect. If I was going to be doing a tumbler that had stripes where you could see it all, there's not going to be covered up with paint, then I would probably use Mod Podge for my stripes, or double-sided tape works perfectly too on perfect even stripes. But this one is going to be mostly covered up with decals and paint and things like that. But what I wanted to show you is because of all the bumpies and stuff, I used my sanding. I used my waterproof sandpaper with just some water and really went after it with sandpaper, sanding it. When I did, I was watching a movie. I had to say that, but yes, I was watching a movie and sanding, and I wasn't looking. And if you noticed, I sanded too much. There's a place there. There's probably a little place right there. Yeah, I was just kind of like, I was watching Outlanders. So, yeah, I got distracted. Hey, yeah, if you ever watched Outlanders, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I have a place right there. So what I'm going to do is, instead of like saying, oh, I'm going to have to strip this, no, there's a way to save that. If you ever do sand way too much and you get some of the silver coming through, or you lose some of your glitter like this one is, you can always use, and you can always go over this with a little bit of Mod Podge, just your generic Mod Podge, just plain old Mod Podge. And the color that I need to replace is a little bit of the blue. So I'm using Glitter Shrimp Blue. And this is also Glitter Chimp Tafiti. So that's what I wanted to go over the blue. And there's a little bit of blue there and here. Oh, and there's the Tafiti. So all you have to do is get my paper, lose glitter. But all you have to do is grab a little bit of your Mod Podge, which I need to buy some more, and just go over the spot that you need to add glitter to. Let's see, that's good. And this is for the Tafiti. And just go over it ever so lightly to cover up that area. So see, now it's all covered up. I'm going to let this dry, that area dry. And then I'm going to go over the little blue areas. So right here. Here, there, right here. And since there's not much in this, I'm just gonna have to worry about saving glitter off the piece of paper. So I'm gonna go over these areas, the blue areas. Okay. Okay, so now I went over those areas, and you can tell the difference between epoxied and dry, and you got this glitter. That's okay. That's okay because this actual cup needs, now that I have some loose glitter on it with the Mod Podge, I need to spray it with a sealer, and then I'm going to epoxy it again so I can get any type of bunts really smooth, and then put my vinyl decals on it, and then paint and everything else you do with the dinosaur, motherhood dinosaur pattern. So I will just put this up here to sit for a little bit. So that's what I wanted to show you on how you could fix little over sanding. This is another one. This is another one that I sanded way too much. I don't know if you can see. You see how it's like white right here? I sanded way too much. Again, watching Outlanders. That thing, I can't help. I'm not going to watch TV anymore every time I sand. But that's what I did. So I'm just going to have to go over it again with some Mod Podge and glitter. And again, with that one, I'm going to spray it with sealer and then epoxy it so then it's nice and smooth for the decals. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.